National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Clay County in northwestern Minnesota, western Otter Tail County, Wilkin County, southwestern Becker County in northwestern Minnesota, southeastern Ransom County in southeastern North Dakota, southeastern Cass County in southeastern North Dakota, Richland County in southeastern North Dakota, northeastern Sargent County in southeastern North Dakota, until 12:45 a.m. At 11:51 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Mapleton to near Winner, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Horace, Kindred, and Milner around 11:55 p.m. Wild Rice around midnight. Windermere, Oxbow, and Walcott around 12:05 a.m. Wolverton, Colfax, and Barney around 12:10 a.m. Abercrombie, Morton, and Galcott around 12:15 a.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Fergus Falls Airport. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 15 and 57. Interstate 94 in North Dakota between mile markers 15 and 62. Interstate 94 in Minnesota between mile markers 15 and 62. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure.